Hey you guys, it's Britt. I'm coming on tonight to do a quick video talking about video manipulation and beautifying videos in general. I think that it's an interesting topic. I did see a video this evening talking about this, and it just sort of, for some reason, it shocked me and also annoyed me. But I will put a disclaimer here. If you are someone who loves Facetune, you love photoshopping your photos and images and things like that, this might not be the video for you, but I just wanted to say that before we get started. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with no makeup. I'm just gonna put a mask on and talk to you guys for a minute. This is gonna be a quick sort of focused video. I have a topic I wanna talk about. So the mask that I'm using tonight is the Boscia Charcoal Pour Pudding. I have a small little tub here. This was like a deluxe sample from Sephora. I do like this mask. I mean, I don't absolutely love it. I actually like the matcha one better. I own the full size of the matcha one. So there is a YouTube channel called Inform Overload. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog having a snack in the background. He's like right over there and he's munching extra loud. So just please ignore that. So there is a YouTube channel that I subscribe to called Inform Overload, and they do a lot of, it's a commentary channel, but it is run by, it feels more so like a business because, you know, they're on a set. It's a few different people that rotate in and out doing commentary. And I watched a video on my drive home tonight from work called Influencers Who Are Lying About Their Videos or something like that. And essentially the whole video was about how their video was about how video manipulation and beautifying your videos is really taken off. And it used to be something that you would hear about in the movies, and it has become accessible to the everyday person because there is an app called Snow. And I, of course, after I watched the whole video, I was curious and I downloaded the app so that I could see sort of what this app did. And it was horrifying. Essentially, let me take my earrings off. That's probably a good idea. So essentially, this app allows you to take a video, but it has beauty filters on it. And these are not just like your average skin smoothing and that Lord Axel. It's not just your average skin smoothing and stuff like that you might see on like Instagram or Snapchat filters. This is crazy. I'm going to insert a little close-up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But you can like change the shape of your chin, change your lips, your nose, the size of your pupils, the size of your Cupid's bow. And essentially the reason that this is a hot topic right now is because not only is it, you know, being used by quote unquote the everyday person, but they showed a couple of videos where it is basically being believed that the two Facetune queens, James Charles and Nikita Dragon, have been basically exposed for using this app. And I think that with people who openly and not openly use Facetune, like those two, it makes sense that they would be filtering their videos. And one of the many reasons this is problematic. Now, I've talked about Facetune before and my dislike for Facetune and why it's problematic and all of that. So if you guys are interested, just search my channel name and Facetune and it'll pull up the videos that I've done. So the reason that this is so crazy is because the clip of James that they showed in this video, he's applying a face mask. He was probably doing a get unready with me, my nighttime skincare routine, or something along those lines based on what I gathered. But the reason that this is problematic is because if people are softening their skin and they're doing skincare reviews, they are now able to say, oh, well, it's not Facetune because it's a video, but now this app is being integrated into everyday videos that are being posted onto social media. So I think that it's a big problem. And I remember, a while ago, before I had my YouTube channel, when Facetune was not really as shamed as it is now, people will kind of stay more quiet about it. I remember I would see photos of influencers, especially on brand pages, and they would be Facetuned up and down. And there were a few times where I made comments about it, like, why so much Facetune or something along those lines. And I would have people comment back and say, that's not Facetune. You need to watch a video of this influencer and you'll see how great their skin is. And now I'm thinking back on that and I'm like, yeah, but if you're able to manipulate your videos, and this is not a brand new software, it's been available to the general public for, I think, about a year. I tried to look on YouTube to see if there were other people who were talking about this. And I saw a couple of videos, I think one was like 8 months ago and one was a year ago, of like how people use the app. So it makes me think, maybe I was right for, calling out the Facetune. And when you look at the videos of these people and their skin is still so perfect, maybe they are manipulating the videos. And I'm not saying that nobody can have perfect skin. That's not allowed. It's just unrealistic. That's not it at all, because I've seen tons of people in my real life who just have perfect skin. That's just how they are. That's what they were blessed with. And so I know that it exists. I'm not an idiot. But I think that when you see a common pattern between influencers who have been caught for photoshopping or face tuning, and then, all of a sudden their videos, just the skin looks perfected and maybe they don't look the way that they did when they started their social media journey. I think that's why it all sort of comes into question. But the big thing that I don't like about this is that if skincare brands are sending their products to influencers who are possibly being exposed for beautifying their videos, and they are sending these products asking for a review, how is the subscriber supposed to know, is this person lying or are they not? So that brings me to the sort of secondary thought that I had about this. What's the best way to handle it? If you don't know who's using this app, who's not, I would say that it all comes back to building a trust relationship with the people who you are taking product recommendations from. I'm not saying that you can't watch any popular beauty influencer or that's a bad thing. Like, that's you. Like, I'm over here. It's all good. But I think that it comes back to, if the influencer has a track record of utilizing Facetune, especially in order to sell products and push products and say, look what this product did for me, and it's obvious that the image was altered, those might be the ones who are also using software to change their videos. And it's a really sad situation at the end of the day. I think that trust has been broken so many times within the beauty community, especially over the last year or so, that it really leaves the subscriber in a situation where you really don't know what to believe. And I can sit here and say, I don't edit my videos. I don't use any of that. I don't. That's just me being completely honest. There's no point for me to do that because I want to be upfront and honest with you guys. And I want anyone who comes across my channel, I want them to be able to take my opinion at face value and do with it what they will. Whether it's buying a bronzer, talking about a skincare product, or if they're just watching me to hear my opinion or my commentary on something. So yeah, I think that it's very important to lean on influencers who you feel like you can actually trust and ones who don't have a bad track record of altering images. But I think that even me as a creator, I rely also on, and I've talked about it before, I rely a lot on reviews that are up on Sephora, Ulta, Beautylish. Like I will go and before I actually buy a product, if I am shopping online, I will look at the reviews. What is the everyday person saying about this product? Not someone who is making videos or posting on Instagram. I just want to know what the normal, everyday person has to say about this product. And then also just relying on influencers who you do feel like you can trust. So yeah, I wanted to make this video kind of quick and to the point. I saw that video and I was just so upset that the beauty community has come to the place that it is today, where, you know, everything has to be perfect. The skin has to be perfect. Your eyes have to look a certain way. Your lips have to be full. You have to have hips and curves, and don't even get me started on the whole body shape changing aspect of this. I'm talking more so right now just about skin and your facial appearances. But it's really sad that it's gotten to the point where it is right now. And I think that anyone who maybe looks at themselves as not perfect, it can be deterring to have someone tell you, oh, well, you don't know what you're talking about. Go and look at the video. And it's like, yeah, but if that person's using Facetune, who's not to say that they're not having their video digitally altered a little bit, especially those who are filmed by an actual, you know, videographer. Like there's a million things that they can do in post-production before the video actually sees the light of day. So those are just my thoughts. As soon as I watched that video when I was coming home, I knew that I wanted to just put my opinion out there. The video got me a little annoyed, I guess is the best way to put it. Just that people are being so dishonest in the beauty space nowadays, and it's unfortunate. But anyway, I will let my mask continue to sit for about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair. Tomorrow is Friday. I don't know when you guys are watching this. It will probably be Friday because I'll probably post it in the morning. But anyway, I hope that you guys are having a good day. If you like this video, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.